my name is Florian Triebbaum. I am founder and CEO of OPOS. And today we're going to introduce something really special and also brought a guest for that.
Hello, my name is Fabio Eppensteiner from Austria. I'm competing in the IPC Production Optics division and I'm part of the OPOS factory team.
Yeah, together in the last 6 years we have developed something really special that combines highest precision engineering and modularity together with electronics. And the result of that is the VENATOR.
I had the chance to test the OPOS VENATOR over the last few months and I'm very glad to see the huge improvements we made.
The VENATOR is our first fully in-house designed pistol and fully made in Austria.
Then let's take a closer look. The first thing I've noticed while shooting the OPOS VENATOR is that it shoots extremely flat. Why is that?
That has different reasons. So the first reason is the high steady mass. So the gun is pretty heavy, it's 1.3 kilograms, but the very special thing is the very low bore axis of the barrel, which is sitting where usually the guide rod is sitting. So what we've integrated together with this rotating barrel locking mechanism is this barrel bushing on the front. So I think if maybe you have noticed that the gun is shooting pretty accurate because we are hand assembling and hand fitting the barrel to the barrel bushing. And if the barrel bushing is wearing out, you can also change it and or use a compensator instead of the barrel bushing. So we combined all these factors, the barrel bushing with compensators in one part.
That's a pretty neat feature.
So it's modular, it's tunable, and it's made for the highest performance, like for you shooters. And I would propose that we're now going to the range and test a few of those configuration in direct comparison to see the real differences.
Perfect, let's go. Also, one of my favorite features of this gun is that you have the option to mount your red dot system on two different positions on the slide. There's one option for the production optics and optics division, where the red dot is fixed on the slide. And there's one option where the red dot isn't moving with the slide.
Yeah, that was one additional feature. I think the future in handguns will go to this option where the sight is not moving with the slide, because it's much better for the sight itself. You can mount also more complicated sights on it because the very fast slides are damaging the optic systems.
Yeah,
and this is was one feature I wanted to introduce both. The option of both, to be able to choose the option without buying an expensive slide or an expensive sight trace system. And this was important also from the first step to integrate this feature.
Yeah, it's cool to have both options out of the box. So what footprints are you using?
So for the optics footprint, we were choosing the RMSC footprint because it's the only footprint that fits on our sight trace system, because it's very narrow. So the RMR SRO footprints are very wide to the outside. You see it here that the optic is pretty wide on it. So the RMSC footprint is perfect for that. We are offering different adapter plates for the different optics for everything that's available on the market. But the main footprint directly is RMSC, like you see here with the RMSX. You have collinear sight with the optics directly through it, because it's sitting very low on the pistol. And additionally, for the mechanical sights, you have standard Glock sights or standard Glock footprints.
Cool feature.
Absolutely, and you have everything on the market. You can use it. It's there's a pretty wide variety. And for me, it was important, as long as my gun is new, it should be adaptable to different options that are on the market.
When we talk about modularity, what's interchangeable at these guns?
So the first thing is, of course, the grips. The grips are interchangeable. You see here 3 different options already with the grips. You have the option with different palm swells, different backstrap options. So it's very easy to change the grips with 2 screws. The next thing is the mag funnel. There are different options, of course, for the production listing. You need your own mag funnel, which is very small. The standard and also open mag funnel will be available this year already. Then different slide catches, or slide catch levers with different forms for different shooters. Everybody wants something different and likes something different. So we are offering from the beginning 2 options. One is this 1911 style lever, and one is this Glock style lever. And what is also interchangeable is the thumb rest area. Here is for the production listing, the very small thumb rest, and there will be bigger thumb rest options for the open division, for the standard optics division, or just normal standard division. There will be a big variety of options to be interchangeable. So it would not be a right review or an introduction without Fabio shooting also parkour. And that's why we set up a medium stage. And let's go.
I really like the short trigger reset of this gun. You can really feel the low bore axis on this gun.
Well, that wraps up our look on the Venator, the mechanical platform that's built for performance, for speed, for modularity.
Yeah, I'm really happy to see how the OPOS VENATOR performs in a real-life competition environment. And I'm looking forward to shoot this gun next year in competitions.
Thank you so much, Fabio, for supporting us, for testing the gun.
You're welcome.
And also looking forward to the future. So subscribe. I hope we were able to give you a good insight on the Venator. And for the next videos, we're going to show you the vision platform, maybe the future of firearms. So we'll keep you posted and see you next time.